Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing the tools. Make sure your iPhone X has at least 20% battery and your computer has the latest iTunes or Finder. Connect via USB and use genuine cable. Unreliable cables interrupt restore. Once connected, put the phone into recovery mode. Press and release volume up, press and release volume down, then hold side until recovery screen appears. This forces the device into a state where the computer can reinstall iOS. Once the phone shows recovery mode, your computer will prompt you to update or restore. Choose Restore to remove the lockout. The app downloads the correct iOS package and flashes it. This erases all data but resolves passcode lockouts. Make sure the download completes fully and do not disconnect the USB cable. Interruptions can brick the phone. If the download fails, retry or use an alternate stable network. After restore finishes, the device restarts to the Setup Assistant. Finish the Setup Assistant on the iPhone X. You will be asked to sign in with the Apple ID tied to the device to clear activation lock. If you know the credentials, enter them and continue. This is why checking Find My iPhone earlier matters. If activation lock prevents setup, gather proof of purchase and contact Apple support for assistance. If any restore step fails, retry recovery mode, swap cables or ports, and use another computer to rule out local issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.